Hello, fellow Metazens. Metaverse Mogul here, bringing you this week's events in the Metaverse. So today, at 22 CET, which is 4 p.m. EDT, Marco Rodriguez, aka Visions, presents his NFT exhibition at Art Tower 1 in Somnium Space. Links to the website and venue will be listed below. There are 2 week-long events that are launching Monday, April 5th. The first one is in Decentraland, and it is WTFRNFTs. It will be a 5-day conference taking an in-depth look at NFTs with some of the leading voices of the industry. They will be covering such topics as collectibles, art, music, gaming, and the metaverse. The schedule and other links will be listed below. Next is a collaboration of many artists and topics hosted by Metaverse.art in Somnium Space. It will be a week-long exhibition of legendary analog makers plus contemporary digital masters. Some topics being talked about are crypto taxes, crypto fashion, collector's talk, and there will be a lot of drops happening over the week. Link to the Twitter and website will be in the description below. Another Decentraland event is on the 7th of April. This event is to celebrate the launch of 10 featured artists at the 3rd official Charged Particle Art Drop. You can get a POAP token, which is a proof of attendance protocol. There will also be exclusive performances by IMT. The Eventbrite link as well as the location link will be listed below. This event will run from 3 p.m. UTC to 5:30 p.m. UTC, which is 11 a.m. EDT to 1:30 EDT. Last but not least, there is a weekly art show 1 hour before the Djembe Dragonfire's concert. This event will be held every Wednesday at 21 CET, which is 3 p.m. EDT at the Art and Coffee Parcel. Fassable will be this week's featured artist. You can watch at twitch.tv/artifacts. Previous artists include the Nyla Collection and Memesis NFT, so be sure to check it out. I did mention Djembe's concert that happens every week in Somnium Space at 22 CET, which is 4 p.m. EDT, and that is held on Parcel 4606. I am discovering more weekly events all the time and look forward to listing them here. This will be a weekly video I will post every Sunday that will list the events happening in the metaverse that week, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any exciting events. Like the video if you enjoyed it. This is Metaverse Mogul, signing out.